hands. So don't fold no band. All mine don't owe no man. Hard times they won't hold your hand. Gotta take that on the chin. I feel like 50 Cent. I've been wrong by many men. I done many ends. Like what you gonna do for a check? I had to hustle and tussle for mine. So what you gonna do for respect? You see the red all up in my eyes. So I ain't a scoop and I'm blessed. Still got some on my chest. So I hop in the booth. Don't know if I'm fit or I'm locked up. I ain't dead, I'm just, why the hell they keep my trust up? Don't know if it's love or it's lust, but I'm caught in a wave of feelings. Going up had to break the ceiling. Sit back, smoking my pain to heal it. It's a major feeling, it's a major mission. And if you don't, I do it by myself. Crack, I play the cards on dope. So I just hide myself low, but it ain't gonna help. Don't really want them to know me. Depression been killing me slowly. Devil around taking guess of my homies. Not even that type of dude. Why they won't break out of me? Pride up to my environment. I'm just everything that I gotta be. They on that block with the let off shots. You can't put your child to sleep. My man's got killed right down the street. Take a loss if you take your wins. So low cause it ain't no friends. Solid don't fold no band. All mine don't owe no man. Hard times they will hold your hand. Gotta take that on the check. I feel like 50 Cent. I've been wrong by many men. I done many ends. Like what you gonna do for a check? I had to hustle and tussle for mine, so what you gonna do for respect? You see the rain all over my eyes, too high and scooping up blessed. Still got some on my chest, so I hop in the booth. Let's go. Yeah, time is now records in the building. Shouts out to EAS. We can go to the next one. Appreciate that. JayDawg, yeah. JayDawg, yeah. I made this one for all the independent artists like me. Let's go. Speak for fantasies. I speak from the heart, and they should keep that playing with me, cause wouldn't play their part. Listen, disregard, that's what just make me go hard. I got JayDawg from my father. Hustle made a start, life I'ma rise above her. You gon' despise your brother. I see your minds, colors, they presidents rise from under. That be all I dream about. On your grind, what's in your time, try to take that easy. I'm like, I can see the dough, too low key, don't need the clout. Thought they was gonna be around, I look up, I don't see them now. It took a mile, hitting up. Look at my wrist, I'm trying. So I ain't coming here to. And this loyalty can never cross my brother. Ain't no falling out. Royalties, we put it in the duffel, then we. And ain't no hurting, we on our working. And ain't no purpose. They only do this when all they dogs around. Let's go. I speak from the heart and execute that plan with me, cause wouldn't play a part. Listen, disregard, that's what just make me go harder. I got JayDawg from my father. Hustler made a stop, like I'ma rise above her. All that I see in my eyes is colors. Lobster steak, shrimp on the side with butter. That be all I dream about. We'll get on your ground, what's in your time, try to take that easy. I can look into my brother's eyes and tell that he look up to me. Funny thing is he way bigger. When it was time to ride, you by my side, yeah, that's my. Even back in elementary school, we seen the bigger picture. Got different. Niggas start switching, and the ones I thought was weird, it was the same ones who start snitching. So I keep my distance, never did for an image, sick and tired of penny pinching. My teeth clench, I don't need to talk a lot. What all to talk about? Thought I ain't have a shot. When there was a drought, got family in the sky. Know they looking down. Let's roll up and get high and meet them in the clouds. Niggas speak from fantasies. I speak from the heart and execute that plan with me, cause wouldn't play their part. Listen, disregard, that's what just make me go harder. I got JayDawg from my father. Hustle made a stop, life I'ma rise above her. All that I see in my eyes is colors. Lobster steak, shrimp on the side with butter. That be all I dream about. Boy, get on your grind, wasting your time, try to take that easy route. I appreciate y'all. Thank you. I got one. JayDawg, yeah. Just vibe out with Lost boy, never learn. Yeah. And I'm a lost boy, I be with blood suckers. That's probably why I only put trust in my blood brother. They can't get none from us, not even love from us. All they can get is probably hard with the 2 dubs from us. There ain't no disrespect, that's probably just the way I'm feeling. I wear my heart all on my sleeve, so take more time to heal it. I'm probably talking, cause I don't really mean it. Paranoid, that's why I seem to get up in my feelings. I mean, I got my head together right before I lost it. Had to get my brain together, I feel so exhausted. Even with all the losses, I just keep on climbing. Ain't no more crying, no declining. You can look me in my eyes and see that. Dang. Let's go. Right. Only friend was a man. Even sometimes he would. As youngins, we used to dream of fast cars, and we never knew that life would be so damn hard. Mama used to tell us we ain't listen cause our head hard. Brody too busy ducking fed cars, so please don't judge us for being lost. We don't deserve it. Please don't judge us for being wrong, cause we still learning. If you ain't know, but now you know. For real. Lord, I appreciate y'all, man. It's just vibe out. Time is now records. That's how the EAS. Thank y'all so much.